Is this stagflation? So based on all this news, what am I expecting is going to happen maybe between the Federal Reserve? Are they going to cut rates? What's the stock market going to do? What's the bond market going to do? Well, let's get over to this. The Federal Reserve, here's what they monitor. They monitor the PCE, that's inflation. You and I usually look at the CPI, consumer inflation. But this number, they want at 2. It's at 2.9 and keeps going up. So they're like, okay, we can't cut because inflation's almost 3, went at 2. The jobs number, the unemployment rate, it was 4.6, then 4.4, now it's at 4.3. Wages are going up. They're beating inflation. I know you might not feel that way, but we have a good jobs market, wage growth, and then basically inflation kind of getting a little out of control. Is this stagflation? We don't want that. Google stagflation on what that means. So now let's get over to what the Federal Reserve's most likely going to do in 15 days. They're not going to cut. Okay, then I can prove it to you down through here. The probabilities of a rate cut in the next few meetings, it's not there. 97, this could be 100% chance they're not going to cut at the next meeting. There's an 85% chance they're not going to cut at the meeting after that, and then we'll be data dependent after that. But look, there doesn't look like any really maybe one rate cut this year. So even though the Fed cuts or doesn't cut, doesn't really mean that's what's going to happen with mortgage rates.